Yes, Aditya. Today's class will learn about Laplace transform of derivatives. Laplace transforms of derivatives, where the formula is for Laplace transform derivatives in general, that is L of f to the power of n of t, it's equals to t to the power of, sorry, it should be s to the power of n f bar of s minus s to the power of n minus 1 f of 0 minus s to the power of n minus 2 f dash of 0 minus so on minus f to the power of n minus 1 of 0. This is the formula for Laplace transform of derivative. And when you are going to apply this method, if they are mentioning in the problem, find the value of a so and so by using the Laplace transform of derivatives, then all you can apply. Otherwise, directly we can write that one, because we know what is the formula, what is the value of that 11 types we have given you in the starting. The fundamental formulas, elementary formulas. Now we'll see one problem using the theorem on transforms of derivatives. Find the Laplace transform of cos at. Now what they are asking in the question, they are asking to find the value of cos at by using the Laplace transform of derivatives. And according to our knowledge, we know that cos at value is equals to what? S divided by s square minus 1. So now what you have to do? You have to differentiate this cos at twice, because you have to use this formula. So here your n is going to be 2. So here your solution, the solution goes like this. Here f of t is equals to cos at. Right? Now differentiate cos at. What is the derivative of your cos? Aditya?
Minus sign.
Yes.
Minus sign.
Minus, it's equals to minus, and differentiation of this, it's equals to a sine a t. Now one more time, f double dash of t, it's equals to minus a square cos at. Your sine differentiation, it's equals to cos at. Now first what we will do, we'll write that formula. Your n is going to be your L of f double dash of t, it's equals to s square, then bar of s f bar of s minus s to the power of 2 minus 1, then f of 0 minus s to the power of 2 minus 2, sorry, 2 minus 2 f dash of 0. The remaining, it's going to be as a minus, so we are going to ignore that one. We are not going to consider, because I have given you in general till as an f to the power of n minus 1. So no need, because here when you are going to substitute here 2 minus 2, it's going to be 0. So till 2 only I am writing, the remaining I am ignoring. So what I am going to get from here, L of f double dash of t value is equals to minus a square cos at. L of minus a square cos at, which is equals to s square f bar of s minus s f of 0, then minus s to the power of 0 f dash of f dash of 0. Now I need the value of f of 0. I will make this is equals to equation number 1, where I need the value of zeros I need. So I am going to substitute here that values. When you are f of 0, it's equals to cos a of 0. Cos 0 is equals to, what is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 value, Aditya?
Ma'am, what?
1. Then f dash of 0, it's equals to minus a sine a of 0. So sine 0 is equals to,
My Wi-Fi is lagging.
sine 0 is equals to,
Ma'am, your Wi-Fi is low.
my Wi-Fi is gone. My Wi-Fi is running.
It's
Yours is
breaking.